So in the question we have that 50 grams of ice is at 0 degrees Celsius. So mass of ice is equal to 50 grams. It is at temperature which is equal to 0 degrees Celsius. It's mixed with 40 grams of water. So mass of water is 40 grams. Water is at 60 degrees Celsius. We need to find the ratio of water and ratio of ice and water when they are at equilibrium. So first 50 grams of ice is there. It gets converted into water. These both are at 0 degrees Celsius. So the heat required to change ice which is at 0 degrees Celsius to water which is at 0 degrees Celsius is m into latent heat, because there is no change in temperature but there is only change in state. So m into L. M is 50 grams. Latent heat of fusion is 80. So this is equal to 4000 calories per gram. Now let's take water which is at 60 degrees Celsius and the amount of heat required to transfer 60 degrees of water to water at 0 degrees Celsius. So here the heat required will be ms delta T. So mass is 40 grams, specific heat is 1, specific heat of water is 1 calorie inverse of gram degree Celsius. ms delta T from 60 to 0, so delta T is 60. So this is equal to 2400. So we know principle of calorimetry that leave. So the amount of, this is the hot body and this is the cold body. So heat given by hot body is equal to 2400 calories, and that given by the calories per gram, and that given by cold body is, and that absorbed by the cold body is 4000. So heat given is lesser than that. Okay, sorry. Amount of heat required to change water at 60 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius is 2400 calorie per gram. And the amount of heat required to change ice at 0 degrees Celsius to water at 0 degrees Celsius is 4000 calorie per gram. So the heat required is greater than that of heat supplied. So complete heat doesn't melt, because it will not get sufficient amount of heat to melt, because only 2400 calories per gram is given. So we'll see how much mass of heat is being melted. So mass into latent heat is equal to heat given by it. Heat given by water. Heat given by water is 2400. Latent heat is 80 calories per gram. This is equal to 2400. 0 will get cancelled. 30. So mass which is converted into water is 30 grams. So the remaining ice is equal to, its initial 50 grams of ice was there. Now 30 grams of it got converted into water. So minus 30. This is equal to 20 grams of ice is left. Now remaining water. This is equal to, initially 40 grams of water was there, and now 30 grams of water got converted into, 30 grams of ice got converted into water. So 40 plus 30, which is equal to 70 grams. So now at equilibrium, the ratio of ice, mass of ice is to mass of water is equal to 20 by 70 grams. 0 will get cancelled, so 2 is to 7. So the option is 1.